हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 10.2. सो लेट्स फर्स्ट रीड द क्वेश्चन. सो द क्वेश्चन सेज प्रूफ दैट द एंगल बिटवीन the two tangents drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. So इसके लिए हमें एक फिगर ड्रॉ करना होगा. I have a circle here. Let's mark its center as O. So this is the center of this circle. So एक external point ले लेते हैं. This is my external point. I'll mark this point as P. And from this external point, I'll draw two tangents to this circle. Okay, so my first tangent is this. And this is the point of contact. I'll mark it as A. And one more tangent I'll draw to this circle. And I'll mark this point of contact as B. Okay. Now I'll draw the line segments joining the point of contact at the center. So this is my point of contact and this is my center. So one line segment is this and second line segment would be this. Right. Now question में दिया हुआ है, we have to prove that the angle between these two tangents, so this is the angle between two tangents, is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment at the center. So this angle is the angle subtended by the line segment at the center, right? हमें प्रूव करना है ये दो एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री हैं. Now what is the meaning of supplementary? So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary when their sum is 180. जब भी किसी दो एंगल्स का सम 180 होता है, 180 डिग्रीज होता है, we say those two angles are supplementary. So we have to prove that the sum of these two angles is 180. Okay. Now we know the theorem that the tangent drawn at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, right? So we can say OA is perpendicular to AP. Similarly, OB is perpendicular to PB. Using this theorem, so you can mention the reason here. This is theorem 10.1. Okay. Now since AO is perpendicular to AP, I'll have this angle as 90 degrees. This angle is also 90 degrees, right? So angle OAP equals to angle OBP equals to 90 degrees, right? Now OAPB forms a quadrilateral. Now sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So let's write the sum of all four angles. So angle OAP plus angle OBP plus angle AOB plus angle APB equals to 360. Using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, you can mention reason here. Okay. Now angle AOAP plus OBP is 90 degrees. We have proved this, right? So the sum of these two angles would be 90 plus 90 plus AOB plus angle APB equals to 360. This implies angle AOB plus angle APB equals to 360 degrees minus 180 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Since the sum of angle AOB plus angle APB is 180, so these two angles are supplementary. Hence we have proved